Hey you guys, it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. So on tonight's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime shower routine. At night, I like to close all my blinds when the sun goes down and light my favorite candles. This one I'm lighting here is by Numi Moods, one of my favorite candle brands in the scent Malibu, perfect for a summer night. So before I get in the shower, I like to drink some chlorophyll water. I got mine from Whole Food. It is the liquid concentrate and it does have a slight minty flavor. I add about 15 drops as per the instructions. It recommends to drink it about 1 to 3 times per day, but I just drink it once. I prefer to drink it before I start my shower routine because it does stain your teeth, which is why I'm drinking with a straw, but it doesn't last. You can always just brush your teeth. So I'm in my bathroom. The lighting is a little off, which I don't mind it being yellow. It's just more calming. I do have on makeup from earlier because I was filming, so I'm gonna wash it off. But that'll be a different video for my nighttime skincare routine. This one is just focused on the body. So let's get to it. Just pulling my hair out the way. So for the scent profile I'm going for tonight is more warm. So from Bath & Body Works, I'm going to be using the Black Currant and Vanilla Body Wash and Foam Bath. It is from the aromatherapy line, and it relaxes me so much when I'm in the bath. You can also use this as a bubble bath. It conditions your skin. They recommend that you breathe deeply. It heightens your sensuality and instills feelings of comfort. I'm just going for a very cozy feeling tonight. So look how much it lathers up. I love it. So here is my holy grail, Dr. Bronner's cast-out soap, and I use in the mint. I preferably use it on my armpits and down there, if you know what I mean. I like to use an exfoliating glove for my armpits because you'd be surprised like how much buildup comes from using deodorant. I used an organic deodorant once and it like burnt my underarms, so I'm trying to smooth that back out and lighten up my underarms, and I shave here with my razor. So for my entire body, I'm going to use by Colleen Lifestyle Beauty this Honey Vanilla Body Scrub. The particles are made from pink Himalayan sea salt and Brazilian brown sugar. I did receive this from the brand, gifted, but out of all the products I received, this was my favorite. It depends on what I've done that week. I did not use the exfoliating glove of my entire body, so I decided to use this. I got my elbows, my knees. If I ever just want like I will need to feel like a physical scrub, I'll use this. Even on my hands if I'm doing like a manicure that day, I love using this. Love it. Oh, next by L'Occitane, I'm using a shower oil made with almond oil. So I love this stuff. So when it gets in contact with water, it turns into this like milky film lotion. It gently cleanses the body, and you can also shave with it. And it leaves such a nice glow. It leaves you nice and soft and shiny. You don't even really need to put on lotion once you get out of the shower with this, but of course we love moisture, so we're gonna keep on adding it. But this stuff is the bomb, okay? Okay, on to another holy grail. I've been using this since God knows when. My grandmother used to use this ages ago. Palmer's Cocoa Butter. It heals and softens rough, dry skin. Oh my God. Seriously, I have a million one body butters. If anything, at the minimum, I'm going to use this first as a base and I'm going to add everything over it for the scents. But because I'm going for a warm scent profile anyway, this this covers all bases. Put it on your feet, your toes, your heels, get everything. And it leaves a nice shiny glow. And next, straight from the bush, is some coconut oil. This is from Dominica. My friend Nicole, you guys seen her on the vlogs before. This is from the bush of Dominica. And everybody know when you get your oils and your butters and everything from the island, they put it in any bottle they can find. So that's why it's in the bottle that it's in, and this has coconut oil on it. It's not like the stuff that's up here and it smells like coconut. It smells like the bush, but like a nice sweet bush. Look at that glow. Look at it. Of course, we can't forget our deodorant. I'm using Dove Nourishing Secrets Antiperspirant in the vanilla and cocoa butter scent. Love this stuff. Next, I use my Laneige sleeping mask, and need I say more about this? This is everyone's holy grail. As for fragrance tonight, I'm going with Dior Poison Girl. It is warm and spicy gourmand, and that is my night routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And until next time, toodles!